Imagine walking into a hospital where instead of waiting years for an organ donor, the doctors simply print you a brand new heart. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, this future might be closer than you think. Welcome back to another video. Today, we're diving into one of the most jaw-dropping advancements in modern science, 3D printing human organs. From saving millions of lives to raising deep ethical questions, this technology could reshape the future of medicine forever. So, how does it work? Instead of using plastic like a regular 3D printer, scientists use something called bioink. This bioink is made from living cells. Layer by layer, a specialized 3D printer builds structures that look and function like real human tissue. Researchers have already managed to print skin, blood vessels, and even mini versions of hearts and kidneys. While these are still in early stages, the ultimate goal is to print fully functioning organs that can be transplanted into patients. Think about it. No more waiting lists, no more risk of organ rejection because the organ could be made from your own cells. If successful, 3D printed organs could save millions of lives every year. Patients with kidney failure wouldn't spend years on dialysis. Heart disease patients could get a fresh, lab-printed heart. Even testing new drugs could become safer since scientists could test them on printed human tissues instead of animals. But here's where it gets complicated. If we can print organs, where do we draw the line? Could people misuse the tech for enhancements instead of just healing? Could it create inequality where only the rich can afford designer organs? And most importantly, should we treat lab-made organs the same as natural ones? These are questions society must answer as the technology advances. So, will 3D printed organs become the ultimate solution to the global organ shortage or open a Pandora's box of ethical dilemmas? Only time will tell. What do you think? Should science push forward no matter what? Or do we need limits on this kind of bioengineering? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your perspective. Thanks for watching.